Welcome back to Underwater Math. I'm your teacher, Sir Puffington. Your class is just arriving to Fish Academy. Our class today is all about representing fractions.
Good morning, Sir Puffington.
Good morning, Stella. Earl, nice to see you. Thomas, always a pleasure. And Oliver, glad to have you back. Alright everyone, find your places please. Class is about to begin. As I mentioned, class today is about representing fractions.
Oh man, fractions always make me so nervous.
I know, Thomas. Many students feel that way. I hope I can make it feel a little less scary for you. When we represent fractions with models and break them down with equations, it is helpful to think about unit fractions. Let's review what a unit fraction is. In this fraction circle, we see there are 4 pieces. Unit fraction represents just one piece of the whole. 1/4 is the unit fraction for this model. We can combine unit fractions to make larger fractions.
That makes way more sense.
I'm so happy to hear you say that, Earl. Let's say there were 3 pieces of this circle shaded in. Does each piece still represent 1/4 of the whole?
I think so. Each piece is 1/4, and there are 3 pieces shaded in. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 makes 3/4.
Nicely done, Oliver. You are ahead of the game here. To recap what you said, there are 3 pieces shaded in. Each piece represents one part of the whole, or 1/4. We can add 1/4 together 3 times to make 3/4. Great work. Time for a brain break. Everybody dance. Okay, everyone, that was a fun dance. Back to business. Let's look at a more complicated fraction circle. This time, we have pieces shaded in different colors.
Oh wow, I don't really like this one. It looks hard.
I think we can do this. Each part still represents one piece of the whole. I count 8 pieces in the whole. 5 of the pieces are shaded in. If we add 1/8 together 5 times, we get 5/8. This model represents 5/8.
You are totally right. But I also see there are 3 different sections. There is a blue section, a pink section, and a green section. The blue section has 2 pieces shaded in, and so does the pink section. I wonder if we could call each of those 2/8 and add them all together. That way, this could be 2/8 plus 2/8 plus 1/8 equals 5/8. I think it works.
That's exactly right. Both options work for this model. We can add together each individual unit fraction, or we can look at the color chunks and combine. We can also represent fractions as distances from 0 on a number line. Take a look at this number line. I can see that the point is located at 1 hash mark before 5/10. Each hash mark represents 1/10, and 1/10 before 5/10 would be 4/10. This point is 4/10 from 0. Check out this number line. Which one of these fractions represents the point's distance from 0? It's definitely not 1 and 50/100 since the point is before the 1. 50/100 is halfway between 0 and 1, just like on this number line. The point is 50/100 from 0. Great work everybody. I think you have built up this skill. Have fun practicing.